What does it take to create 3 commercials in one day? Actually, it's pretty simple. First is the creative process. This is where you come up with the idea. By creating unique ideas, you can reach your clients' demographics. Then you create the storyboards, and then you hire specific talent. And that's where the fun begins. We're at the airport. We're off. On the set, it all starts with the makeup, lighting, and wardrobe. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I've never seen anything so gorgeous.
There was a phone in the back of that one, I think.
This car just turned on.
12-hour days aren't easy. And the final step is the art of editing.
What do you think?
I've never seen anything so gorgeous. So what do you think?
I've never seen anything so gorgeous.
You look good in it.
You have no idea.
The only thing more gorgeous than a Cadillac XT5 is you inside one.
Alright, we're gonna roll.
I'll look. Is that too high? No. Good? Okay.
Yep.
No, I don't. So what other cars have you been looking at?
Well, we tried.
I think you're gonna like this.
Come see how Cadillac's kind of luxury plays all the right notes. The stunning Cadillac CT5 at the stunning Ocean Cadillac.
Music selection, voiceover, and color grading play a big role how your audience receives the mood of the commercial.
This car just turned on.
You know it's right when you turn each other on. The incomparable Cadillac Escalade at the incomparable Ocean Cadillac.
And that's how you produce 3 commercials in one day.